Hi everybody, welcome back to Photoshopskillz. We're gonna go ahead and continue doing some Photoshop stuff. Today's April, Monday the 6th. Yeah, Monday the 6th, okay? So hopefully you guys doing okay out there. We'll go ahead and design something cool and, seeing how things are going in the world today, I figure, you know what, maybe we can make a little bit of a difference here, creating a flyer with a mask emoji, reminding people to go ahead and put in the mask. I mean, it's okay. When you do a task, it's okay to create that, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we can do here. I'm gonna go ahead and have you guys share my screen here so you can see what's happening right there. Okay, all right, so this is Photoshop right here. And as you can see, I already have set up where we can see the layers. We can see the colors there, type and everything else, okay? So this is the first thing you wanna do. First thing you wanna do is go File, New. Just make this one in inches. So I'm going to go ahead and typeset 8.5 inches on the width by 11 inches on the height. And this time we're gonna select 200 pixels per inch for resolution and click OK. All right, so this is what we have. We have a nice transparent view thing here. It's nice transparent one. See that? Okay. It could be white, it could be transparent. If you want to paint it white really quick, all you have to do is go out to Edit, Fill, and choose white, 100%, click OK. Or you can also do the shortcut. Shortcut for this, since you have white in the background, that will be Command Delete. Command Delete, and that should paint it with white. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue with this one. Here's what we need, I think. I think we need the picture of the mask emoji. So let's go ahead and give that one a look, which is this one. As you can see, I believe that's the one inside the iPhone. I'm not too sure, but I think it is. And it looks like it has a mask in there. Looks really good, protected. So this is what I was thinking. I was thinking we could probably make it sound something like when you're on task, wear a mask, or you're up to the task, wear a mask, something along those lines, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Move tool. Move tool is letter V on the keyboard. Go ahead and click on it, which is this one over here, and grab it and drag it and let it go, okay? And let it go, just like that. Drag and drop and let it go. Okay. A couple of things you want to do with this is you want to delete whatever is around the image. So I'm using the Rectangle Marquee tool, but then here's another thing you can use. You can use the Magic Wand. Magic Wand is letter 11. It's right here. It's the Magic Wand. So all you have to do is click anywhere. Let me get closer here. There you go. You want to click anywhere outside this perimeter. Just click it there one time. And you'll see all those pixels running around everywhere. See that? Goes all the way around, okay? So, you can either keep it like this or you can hit delete. Just let's go ahead and hit delete, or even go out to Edit and cut. So that we can cut all the white stuff, okay? Command minus, we're gonna go ahead and zoom out. Make sure it's right in the middle, someplace in here with the Move tool, like this. And we can make it bigger, okay? We're gonna go out to Edit, Free Transform, and then we're going to go ahead and stretch it. Stretch it out, like so. There you go. Right there. It's going to look pretty good. Kind of overstretched it the wrong way here using the Command key, but on your end, all you have to do is Command T, and you stretch it. That's what you do with it. Okay. All right, so we have a couple elements here. You want to go ahead and take a closer look. We have like a gold color. We have a yellow color, maybe a brown from here. Let's go ahead and pick up the brown from there. That's fine. We're going to go ahead and press the letter I. The letter I is going to go ahead and give us the eyedropper tool. So all you have to do is click and hold it, and you'll see that the color before was black, now it's brown. Same thing if I was to have flipped this around. Click and hold it, and you see that before was white, now it's brown. If I go to the golds, and you can see that before used to be white, now it's gold. So I want to keep it in the browns because that's the kind of type I want to do. Okay, I want to make the type come out as brown. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and press letter T. Letter T is gonna give me the typing tool. There he is. All I have to do is click it right in the middle and then go ahead and start typing. Maybe we can go to do your task, wear a mask. Okay, the reason why it's typing in white right now is because that's what I have selected on top. So this is what I'm gonna do next. Command A. Command A will highlight the whole text. Now all I have to do is click in here, click OK, and then you should see what I just typed. To do your task, wear a mask. Okay, same thing, Command T. Go ahead and stretch it. You guys know how to do this part. There you go. By the way, the font that I'm using here, I think is called Alpaca Scarlet. If you guys want to go get some free fonts, you guys can go to www.1001freefonts.com. Okay, www.1001freefonts.com. They have a pretty good selection of fonts in there. You can download them. You can install them to your computer. You can do all that good stuff. That's what I get my stuff from too. So obviously it's all for educational purposes, just for education. So here we go. So to do your task, wear a mask. Maybe we could probably add a couple of dots here. And maybe I can cut this off, edit, cut, come down to the bottom, edit, paste. And then do it again, Command T, and stretch it. Just like that. Double click it, or press return. There you go. That's looking pretty good. To do your task, wear a mask. Obviously, if there was a flyer for a business, somebody will probably make space for this and add their logo someplace on top or someplace around it. But for what we're doing here, what the purpose of this thing, just a very simple flyer, anything you can do at home. To do your task, wear a mask. I might even do a capital letter and letter T there. That looks pretty good. Wear a mask. That's not bad. That's not too bad. The emoji itself looks good. Wear a mask looks fine. Now, if you want to get a little bit fancier, you can do a gradient. This is what I would do. I will go ahead and click on letter I again. Then I will click someplace in the gold section. And then I'll flip this around. And then I'll click someplace where it's a little bit lighter, like this. And this is what I'm going at. What I'm going at is we're going to create a gradient. So we're going to press letter G. G is for the gradient. And you see how it's already changing over here on top. Okay. And all I have to do is click on layer number 1, hold down the shift key, and draw a line from the bottom towards the middle, like this. See that? That came out pretty good. Let me try that again. I want to leave some more of the white in the bottom. Like that, maybe. Right there. Yeah, right there. I think that looks a little bit better for me. To do your task, wear a mask. Okay. Another thing you can do with this one is if you want to, because I don't know if you look at it closely, but when I get closer here, you see a little bit of pixel junk in there. You see all the white stuff? Yeah, it's a little bit dirty there, but I mean, far away you're not gonna be able to see it. But if you want to create something else with it, kind of try to mask that out. This is what you could do. You can go to layer 2, which is the one that has the emoji. Then you can go ahead and go up to layer style, and hit stroke. What that's gonna do is it's gonna give you that. Yeah, it's gonna give you that. But what you can do here is you can change this color to white, to a white color. Okay. And the other thing you want to do is here is choose the size. So the bigger you make it, the bigger your emoji size is gonna be around it. You see that? Okay. Obviously, you have the opacity too. You can lower that down if you want to make it a little bit more softer, a little bit softer looking. The position outside, you can change the position from the outside to the inside, or you can change that to the center. Center looks pretty good. On the outside looks pretty good too. Doesn't look too bad. The size of it, once again, you can make it smaller or you can make it bigger. It's totally up to you. Okay, so that's one of the ways you guys can change that around. Another one of the ways it'd be if I was to be creating a brand new layer, I can go ahead and come over to the Elliptical Marquee tool and then try to draw a perfect circle here. The what I'm doing here with a perfect circle is I'm holding down the Shift key and I'm holding down the Option key. Obviously, this is on a Mac. After that, let it go. Then we're gonna go up to Edit, Edit Fill. I'm gonna fill that up with 100% white, just like this. Notice that your marching ants are still there. The little pixel selections are still there. So what you have to do is let it go. So go up to Select and Deselect. The shortcut for that is Command D. Okay, remember that, Command D, shortcut. There you go. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Then we can go ahead and move it around. And you know what? This one's a little bit cleaner than the other way around. See, that's the cool thing about Photoshop. We kind of experiment with this kind of stuff, and then you come up with the best solutions, you know? Same thing with the wear a mask here in the bottom. It looks like it's too high, so let me go ahead and move it down a little bit. See if we can go ahead and place it right in the bottom like that. There you go. That looks a little bit better. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. So obviously at this point, you can go ahead and save it. You can export it. You can share it with your iPhones, your Androids. You can upload it to your website. You can print it out if you have anybody in your family that owns a business. Print it out and go ahead and send it to them. You know, they'll love you for it, I'm sure. Okay, that'd be a really cool thing for you guys to do that. So there you are. And now we're going to go ahead and come back to this one. And you guys can see the Photoshop emojis, there's the things we can share. Okay. All right. And now we can go ahead and select this one. So if you guys want, go ahead and take a look at Google Classroom. You'll see in the bottom of your Google Classroom a quiz, a very small quiz, but something to take away from this lesson for today. Okay, everybody? So let's go ahead and finalize this one. We're going to go ahead and see what we can do, you know, for tomorrow, for the next day, and that kind of thing. I really want for you guys to pay attention to this kind of stuff because I am going to be double checking to see what's going on with our quizzes. And everybody else don't really belong in the Google Classroom. That's okay, obviously. You're just trying to see what we can do under Photoshopskillz today, okay? All right, good to see you, everybody. Have a good day. See you later. Take care. Be safe out there. All right, talk to you later. Bye.